Namaste, welcome to Sesreka's kitchen. Today I am making idli ravva with jowar. Please watch the video completely so you don't miss anything. I washed the jowar a couple of times, drained the water and then dried on a kitchen towel. Now I am going to grind this in the regular blender. This is after grinding the jowar. It is a mixture of fine flour, fine ravva and some coarse ravva. I will show you everything after sifting. First I am going to use the mesh with bigger holes to sieve it. I have already posted the Jowar idli video using this idli ravva. So please watch that video. I will give the link below. After sifting, I have fine ravva and fine flour collected in this vessel, and the coarse rava remained in the sifter. You can grind this coarse rava again to get fine rava, or you can use this rava to make upma or pongal. I will post the links for those videos so you can try. Let me finish sifting all of it. Here it is after grinding everything. It has both fine rava and fine flour. And this is coarse rava which I am going to use for upma or uppid sweet pongal or breakfast pongal. This fine rava can be used directly to make idli, or you can sift it again to remove the fine flour from here. Idli comes out good either way. Anyway, I will show that also. Now I am going to use the mesh with the smaller holes in it. After sifting the second time, here is the fine rava. We can use it to make idli just like the rice idli rava that we buy in the market. The fine flour has been removed from here, but as I said earlier, it is okay to leave the flour in the rava. This is fine jowar flour. If you want to make jowar flour also, this is how you make it. But the jowar flour is usually available in the stores, so we don't have to do the hard work to make it. Now you can soak this rava before using, or you can directly add the rava to the idli batter. In that case, you have to make the idli batter little loose so that the rava will soak in that extra water. I hope this video is very helpful for some people. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to like my Facebook page.